Good morning, children. Today I am discussing chapter 5 of class 9, fundamental unit of life. I am discussing one by one term. History of cell. Cells were first discovered by Robert Hooke. He observed dead cells of cork, not living cells, with the help of his self-made microscope. Second, Leeuwenhoek discovered living cells in pond water for first time, perhaps algae, spirogyra, or bacteria. Third, Robert Brown discovered the nucleus in the cell. Purkinje termed the fluid protoplasm. Fluid means liquid and gases called together. Protoplasm is the physical basis of life. 6. Sheldon and Swan proposed the cell theory. Virchow modified the cell theory and suggested that all cells arise from pre-existing cells, that is, cells are produced only from pre-existing cells. Next topic is modern theory of cell. First, all living things, organisms are made up of cells. Second, the cell is the structural and functional unit of life. That is, cell or cells form the body structure of the organism, and cell or cells also performs all the functions after for its survival and to be a live of the organism. Here, function means nutrition, respiration, reproduction, excretion, etc. Second topic of cell theory. All cells come from pre-existing living cells by cell division, not by spontaneous generation. Fourth, cell contains hereditary or genetic material which is passed from cell to cell, from one generation to the next during cell division. All cells are basically contain the same chemical composition. All energy flow of life generates within the cell. Next term is living organism, means animals including we, humans, plants, microorganisms. Living organisms are made up of cells or cell. This is the diagram of human chick cell. For you, 1, 2, 3 of the chick cell, human chick cell is left for you. Now write the parts of the given cell, 1, 2, 3. Next diagram is amoeba, which is eukaryotic. Diagram is drawn, but different parts of amoeba is left for you. Write the different parts of the amoeba symbolized by us as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next term is prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. We can differentiate or understand in the following way. Prokaryotic cell, less developed cell, primitive cell, no membrane bound cell organelles like mitochondria, ribosomes, nucleus, that is true nucleus. The main characteristics of prokaryotic cell is presence of incipient nucleus, means nucleus having no nuclear membrane, no nucleus, etc. Example, bacteria, cyanobacteria. Now the second is eukaryotic cell. which is characterized as well-developed cell, advanced cells, presence of membrane-bound cell organelles like mitochondria, ribosomes, chloroplast, true nucleus. Here chromosomes are many and double-stranded. Example, amoeba, human, we, all animals, all plants. Now, draw a well-labeled diagram of a bacteria. Now, the next term is cell, E. Cell is the structural unit of life or organism. The cell is the functional unit of life or organism. These two characteristic features of a cell shows the living characteristic, that is to survive, to obtain characteristics is the are nutrition, movement, respiration, reproduction, respond to stimuli. Now the types of cell, we can conclude the discussion in the following types of cell: prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell is earlier discussed in the video. Example, bacteria, cyanobacteria. And now eukaryotic cell, which is a plant cell or animals or sometime amoeba. Now we discuss about animal cell and plant cell. We first take the plant cell. Features: presence of chloroplast, presence of cell wall, which is a outermost part of the plant cell, which is non-living. Large vacuole, presence of dictyosome in place of Golgi apparatus or Golgi bodies, which is present in animal cell. Peripheral nucleus or nucleus at corner. Shape of plant is generally square or rectangle. Perform photosynthesis, food making process in plants due to presence of chlorophyll, a green pigment. Example, all plants, algae. Now we characterize the animal cell. Here no chlorophyll, no photosynthesis, no cell wall, presence of Golgi body. Generally shape of animal cell is round, nucleus at center or central nucleus. Vacuole is absent or if present it is very small. Example, all animals, humans, we, etc. Now for you, this is assignment for you. Why is the cell is called the structural and functional unit of life? Second question is, a diagram of a cell is drawn. You have to write the missing blocks or box blank left. That is different parts of a cell. Some are completed by me and others are left for you. The next question of the above diagram is, observe it and answer. Name the cell, plant cell or animal cell, prokaryotic cell or eukaryotic cell, cell of autotrophs or heterotrophs. Fourth, cell wall present or absent, chloroplast or plastid or chlorophyll absent or present. Now question number third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Why do plant cell possesses large sized vacuole? We will meet in the next video. Thanks.